Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Burger Bar secondary template and explore its contents. To install Burger Bar secondary, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can provide convenient access to internal and external resources from the Burger Bar menu, which is always accessible on the platform. When ready, select Install. Once a template has been installed, head to the Menus section from Admin Home. The template adds a global Burger Bar secondary sample menu. Select it to see all the menu items it contains. This menu has been pre-configured with Applaud items to give you an idea of what a best practice structure looks like. The container of sub-items is at the top, followed by all the menu items underneath. Select the container to update it for your brand. The menu item modal window will appear. Select Save when you're finished making changes. Continue to do this for the menu items underneath. Feel free to add and delete items where you see fit. When you're happy with your changes, select the menu to the left of your header. Expand the menu to see all the items it contains. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.